What we have with this AI assistant. So AI on whiteboard, you can see, you can click here. You can generate the lesson plan, you can generate the quiz, and you can summarize whatever the lesson plan is there. You want to summarize, you can see Hindi is there, and there are a lot of Indian language already integrated with our AI panel. You can create a PPT with images, videos, or you can bring the content like this. Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss about AI powered interactive flat panel launched by Akin in India. The first time we are launching a panel which is 10 times more powerful than the panel which you are using currently or you are planning to buy in near future. This is the panel which will help students engage into the classrooms or into the content, and teachers are going to love writing and teaching onto this panel. If you like this video, please share it with your circle and definitely subscribe our channel. So this is the dashboard which you are going to get. What were the options available? There are a lot of options are available. So don't get confused with that. You have new AI whiteboard because as soon as you are inside the classroom, you are probably looking to start writing something onto that. You have new AI whiteboard, that right. Second, if you have already have written something and you want to access those old content, you have all whiteboards. So you can do that. Say I am clicking on all whiteboard. You can see there are few contents are already there. We have science, physics, acid and salt. Like this is all. This is the old content which is probably either taught by you or by some other teacher. If you want to create new one, just click on create new one. As soon as you are trying to create something, it is going to ask you the name. What type of content you are going to write into this whiteboard. You can have to give some content name here. Say we are giving for the purpose of demo. So we are writing demo, right? And you can create here. So the first part is creation of your whiteboard, the lesson which you are going to teach in the classes. So you can see the name is here, demo, which is given by us, and you are going to get this AI assistant. So whenever there is any problem, doubts, you can take the help of this AI assistant in the classroom, and it's going to solve you in less than 1 minute. As I said, this is the most powerful interactive flat panel available in India as on today. What we have with this AI assistant. So AI on whiteboard, you can see, you can click here. You can generate the lesson plan, you can generate the quiz, and you can summarize whatever the lesson plan is there. You want to summarize, it is there. You can search the videos, generate the quiz, images, and lot more things. We'll see one by one and try to summarize it as fast as possible. So first is generate lesson. If you are aware about, definitely, if you want to know, if you already have the contents ready, you can start writing. If you want to create the content in the classrooms, once again, less than 1 second, it is going to create the content. So, and it's very simple, right? So select the mode you want to use or the content for which you want to develop. Here the topics, give the topic, put any topic, and it will fetch education contents into your whiteboard, and it is not going to be live. So we are going to discuss about the topic, say acid. Then you select the grade. So say for class 8 grade, right? Then outcome, there are different type of outcomes available. We are not going to discuss in detail about this. It's going to be, we'll have another video for that. And then structure, what type of structure you are looking, once again, not discussing in detail. And you have the option to choose the language here, right? You can choose the language, and best part, it is coming with the local language. So you can have a Hindi or Gujarati or any different type of Indian language is also available. You can see here. You can see Hindi is there. And there are a lot of Indian language already integrated with our AI panel. So let's say we start with the English only, and I click on the generate. So it is going to fetch, at present it is now fetching the content related with the acid, and which is going to be the educational content, right? So it is giving students will understand and what type of things like explorer title, explore acid components, objectives, materials, explain, elaborate. It is helping you to elaborate how you are going to elaborate to the students as well. Then evaluate, and page 1, 2, 3. There are 3 pages created related with that. Now, if you want to see the images related with this content, you have the options to generate that as well. So you can create images, lessons plan, text, images, videos, everything. So this is what you have here. Say you want to bring this into the content, you can do that. The same time, for the video part, once again, if you want to generate videos as well, you can do that. These videos are probably is taken from it's educational video taken from the cloud. So if you like this video, you can integrate this video. This is the lesson plan. You want to insert this lesson plan, you can insert here. You can go to the next page, say I want to insert all the pages, you can do that. Or if you want to create a PPT file, that also you can do it. So at present, we are just trying to insert these pages here only. So you can create a PPT with images, videos, or you can bring the content like this. So you can see this bringing the content. There are 3 pages content, and is bringing all the content into my whiteboard. And these are the images related with that. And see the detail it is going. Properties of acid, complete detail of this. And related images, videos. So now, in I think less than 1 minute, what I have done here is, you can check. This is ACID lesson plan, right? How we are going to teach that? Then introduction to ACID, properties of acids, and related images and videos. So this is how we can create any lessons. We can discuss on any topic without any help. This is amazing product.